How to turn off auto download audio using mobile data on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download audio using mobile data on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data. Click on it and then click this one when using mobile data, and here you will find audio. Just click on it, and as you see, audio have been turned off. Now just click OK, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.